Welcome. If you're looking to enjoy your Snapchat experience without the constant ping of friends' stories notifications, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to disable notifications for friends' stories on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android. Once you're in, find your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and give it a tap. This will take you to your profile page, where all your personal information and settings are located. Next, look for the gear icon, which is also in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap that icon to access your settings. This is where you can customize various features of your Snapchat account. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Notifications. Tap on that to delve into your notification settings. Here, you'll see various options for what notifications you'd like to receive. Finally, look for the option that says Stories from Friends. To disable those notifications, simply unmark it. That's it. You've successfully disabled notifications for your friends' stories, allowing you to browse Snapchat at your own pace without interruptions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Enjoy your Snapchat experience.